This conference will now be recorded.
So good morning team. In today's session we will talk about Dataflow prerequisites, SQL joins and other SQL basics we should learn. So let's quickly learn today what is SQL, SQL important keywords, create table, select statement, where condition, and or not operators, group by query, partition by query, difference between group by query and partition by query, order by query, inner join, left join, right join, full join. So all these things are very important because you should understand the data transformations. Okay, so that's why. So we will get started with this today. So first, what is SQL? SQL stands for Structured Query Language Team. So where we have a structured data. So to query that particular structured data, to talk to the structured data, we are going to use the language called Structured Query Language called SQL. SQL lets you access and manipulate databases. So databases contains the tables, tables contains the data. So in order to access the data in the tables, you need to fire the queries. SQL is a special purpose programming language designed to handle data in the relational database management system. What is the relational database management system, team? So SQL is designed to handle the data in the RDBMS, meaning relational database management system. My question is, what is meant by relational database management system? Anybody have any idea? No? Fine.
Data will store in a tabular format.
Data will store it
So,
in a,
Tabular format, row column format.
and
okay,
tables will be in a relationship manner, like primary key relationship and
very
child
good.
key. Yeah,
Good.
for primary and
So
foreign key.
RDBMS, correct. So RDBMS stands for Relational Database Management System. So let me talk about what is the Relational Database Management System first. Okay. So this is the data where customers are coming and they are buying some products. Okay. So there are this is the quantity what they have purchased, what is the product they have purchased, in which quantity they have purchased. So every details we have here. But what is the problem with keeping this entire data like this? See, so Rama purchased 4 different products. So I just kept Rama Bangalore phone number 4 times and the products which he has purchased, in which quantity he has purchased, everything. Again, Krishna purchased the laptop, same as Rama, whatever Rama purchased, same laptop. Krishna also purchased 5 items he purchased. So what is the like? What is the problem that you are seeing in this? Tell me.
Data redundancy.
Very
Repeat
good.
four
Data
times.
redundancy. You should understand data redundancy. What is meant by data redundancy? Duplicate data. You see here, same data you are storing multiple times as the same customer is purchased. So if you look at here, same product is repeated here. So here if you see same product here also repeated. Even you need to take up to here. Got it? Eh? So unnecessarily you are repeating. See here also there is a duplicate, right? So there is a problem with this. The problem with this one is repeated data will increase the, it will create a multiple problems. What are the problems? Can you guess it, Tim? First problem is if the data increases, the cost will increase. The second thing is if you are keeping this much data in a single table, when you are querying the data, okay, it will take lot of time. For example, if I ask you to say, hey, how many products Rama has purchased in this month, you need to look at lot of data in the single table, right? And you also need to look at all the data, whether name is same and phone number is different, with a different phone number, whether he made any purchase. So you need to look at those all things. So that's why this will be a problem. So one is data increases, query time will increase, the cost will increase. To avoid this, what we can do is we can split this data, we can split this particular data across multiple tables. First we have a product table we can able to use. Next we can able to have a, sorry, first we can have a cost table, next product table, next order table. So order table will have the information like who purchased, when they have purchased, like order ID, all those information. Okay, so let's quickly discuss in detail. If you look at here, there is a CID. Okay, C name, C location, C phone number. You have all the customers data, all unique customers I am keeping here, all the unique products that I am selling from my business, I kept it here. Now whenever Rama purchased 100 is nothing but this product, I won't keep entire details. Instead I'll keep only which customer is ID, which product he purchased, okay, what is the order ID, because for each time when he purchased and made a payment, there will be order ID, because when you go to any store, DMart or any shopping malls, so whenever you purchase something, there is your order ID will be different. Same, like let's say you have taken a two products, you can put it in a single order, or if you want to like take a two different bills, okay, because you want to submit these bills to some other people, you are purchasing for some other people, so they, you want to maintain individual billing, you will just purchase them in a two different orders. So that's why same person can bring two different items in a two different orders, correct? Like that, Rama purchased a different products in a different order, maybe these two products in a same order also, within a same order, at a single time he purchased the two products, same person, so in different quantity, this is the total price. So that entire information we will have here. Now tomorrow you want to know who is this customer one, he made a lot of purchases, I want to know who is he is from which location, from which store he purchased and all. You need to join this CID, this order table, you need to join with this customer table based on a CID column, correct? If you see one matched here, one and one is
Correct.
matched, you can know that. So he is a Rama from Bangalore, this is his phone number. Got it, Tim? So now what happened here, there is a relation that you can able to clearly see between this orders table and the CID table. Okay, so one customer can made a multiple purchases, one to many relationship, correct? This is called a relational database management system. Means the data that you are managing, the data can have a relations with other tables, because the data that we are storing in databases in a tables, these tables can have a, some relationship. So now you can see order table and customer table is having some relation. Product table and order table is also having some relation. Clear all of you? All of
Yes,
you
Swami.
clear, team? Okay. Yeah. So that is what a relational database management system is. Okay. Now, the data in RDBMS is stored in a database objects called tables. A table is a collection of related data entries. It consists of columns and rows. Okay. Table is a two-dimensional array kind of thing where you will have a rows and the columns. Now, keywords. Select is a keyword in SQL which extracts the data from a table. Update is a keyword which is used to update some data in a database table. Database means, so you have to only think about a table. Delete is a keyword which helps to delete a one or more records from the table. Insert into helps you to insert the records into the table. Create a database. If you want to create a databases in a servers, you can create your own databases to maintain the maybe let's say you have a financial database, you have a sales database, you have a uh, employee database and so on. If you want to change something within the database, some configuration or database name, or you want to adjust some properties, you can able to alter the database. If you want to create a table in the database, you can use a syntax called create table. If you want to add a new column, or if you want to modify the existing column data type or column name, anything, you can able to use the alter table. Drop table, if you want to completely delete the table along with the data, you can use a drop table. Create an index. So index is very important concept which helps you to quickly identify. See, when you are studying, right, your normally studies from 1 to 10 or whatever, nowadays also whatever book you take. So in a book, they will tell you this lesson starts from this page. This lesson starts from this page. So what happens with the help of index is, instead of looking at each page, you know that this lesson starts from 100th page. So you can just directly you can take some pages around 100 pages, you can think and you can move it instead of searching one page to reach 100 pages. So you know that this concept starts from 100 page means directly you can move on to that particular page. What happens if you go like this? It helps you to quickly identify your data. Searching will be easy. So to search data quickly from the database tables, we use the indexing concept. To create index, you can use create index. To drop index, you can use a drop index. These are the keywords of the SQL thing. Clear? Next. So if you see your create table, already you know, quickly I'll discuss create table in SQL Server. Create table, table name, column name, data type, column name, data type. Insert into table, this is how you can able to insert. So next, select statement is used to select data from the database. So data returned is stored in a result table called result set. So select star from custom means it will give you enter data. So select custom name and city means it will give you only two columns. You can select a columns that you need instead of putting star. So star is not recommended in real time means, the reason is if you put a star, it will read row by row. If you put the columns in the select class, it will read column by column. So that's why in the real time, if you want to even read a 50 columns, 100 columns also, clients, general people will ask you to select the columns, not to use the star to improve the performance. So select star from customer means all the columns will come, but it is not recommended. Instead, you can select the columns. Select a distinct city from customer. You know what is a distinct city? Normally, if I say select a city from customer, it will say all the cities. But distinct cities means if you have any duplicate cities, it will avoid and give you unique cities. Clear?
Yes,
Next,
Mona.
where condition. So where condition is helps to filter the records. It is used to extract only the records which fulfill the condition. Now, if you look at this is the data. Now select star from customer where city equal to Pune. How many records will come in the output team?
Only one.
Only one row. So select star means all the columns will come, but row will be all columns will come, but row will be only this row where city equal to Pune. Last row will come. Okay, I mean to say all the columns will come, but only thing is only this row will come. Okay, these rows are not going to come in the output. The reason is only this row is satisfying the condition. Okay, next, select star from customer where city not equal to Delhi means
3 rows.
what I will do? Except Delhi, all other records I'll get, two records I'll get, Hyderabad and Pune. Okay, next, or all those things. So if you want to put a multiple conditions, so end indicates within a same row multiple conditions. If I keep multiple conditions should be satisfied within a single row. This row, this entire row should satisfy. Okay, so first check skill is Azure, yes. City is Bangalore, no. So meaning this will not come into the output. Skill is Azure, no. This is also no. So ultimately this will not come in the output. Skill is Azure, yes. City is Bangalore, yes. Both are true means it will come in the output. Skill is Azure, no. City is Bangalore, no. So it will not come. So what will come in the output? Only the third record. Got it, Tim? That's how end will work. End means both the conditions should match. Then only it will come in the output. Next, or condition. So skill equal to Azure or AWS. So, so skill is Azure. Yes, it will come directly in the output. Skill is Azure or AWS. Azure or AWS. Azure is coming in the output. AWS is also comes in the output because either of these condition, whether Azure or AWS, we need to bring it in the output. Azure, bring it. Databricks, no, it will not come in the output. Clear? Now what will come in the output? Now three records. Krishna, Azure, Bangalore. Thiru, Azure, Delhi. Rama, AWS, Hyderabad. Okay, these three records will come. Next, select star from customer where not city equal to Pune. You know what records I'll get?
Delhi, Hyderabad, Bangalore.
Where not city equal to Pune is equal to city not equal to Pune. It is equal to city not equal to Pune, but other terms you can write not city equal to Pune. So it is nothing but a except Pune, all other records will come in the output. Group by. Select star from customer. This is the data. Now if I say group by CAD, CNAME, C location. So how many groups it will create, Tim? Group by CAD, CNAME, C location. How many groups it will create? Tell me. Okay, simple. I'll tell you. I have a India. Okay, I have a India.
Two groups.
You okay? Listen. You people are answering wrong. Let me give you some example. Let's imagine, I hope everybody aware of the cricket, right? So in normal cricket IPL matches, okay, leave about IPL also, maybe some people not aware. Let's take an example for normal international cricket matches. Maybe you heard about it, right? So you have India, you have Australia, you have New Zealand. Three teams you have: India, Australia, New Zealand. Now what happens, these three teams, I just clubbed all the team members. Now I asked all the people, hey, can you just split it by your country? So all the people are in a same hotel. Now I asked them to split it by your country. Now how many groups they will form?
Groups there.
How many groups they will form?
Three groups.
Group by country, if I say three groups, because all India people one group, New Zealand people one group, Australia people one group. Now,
Right.
second example, I have a citizens of India, I have a citizens of like let's take only examples of India. Now I asked all the people from India, only India people I have taken. Now I asked all the people, hey, can you group by your state? Now when I ask them group by their state, okay, now maybe there we have a ladies, we have a gents, everybody is there, male and female both are there. Now I ask just group by state. How many states we have in India currently? How many states we have?
29.
29.
Okay, so if you have a 29, okay, if you have 29, then okay, so if you have a 29 states, how many groups it will create if I say group by state?
29.
29. Now if I say group by state comma gender, if I say how many groups they will form?
58.
58.
Okay, because for each state there will be two groups. First 29 groups for each state, one group. Now by gender I am adding again a gender group. Now what happens within this 29, again each group will be spread to two groups. The reason is there will be males and female people. Okay, that's why 58 groups are going to come. Got it? Similarly here, if I have given only group by CID, how many groups will come? Only CID,
2.
two groups. Triple one, 111. These three people in a one group. These two people in a one group. Two groups will come. Now, if I add, CID and C name also if I added. So CID and C name if I added. Now, how many groups will create?
3 groups.
Three groups, because these two people are one group. Next, this person is a one group, and these people are one group. Okay, sleeping line people are one group. Two, like these two people are one group, and this one Krishna is one group. Two Krishna is one group. Okay. Now if I say CID C name C location, group by CID C name C location, how many groups they will create? So if you see this entire data is same, this entire data is same means this is a one group. So this entire data is same means one group. These two records are same means this is a one group. Total 1, 2, and 3. There will be three groups I will be getting. Total I will be getting a three groups. Clear? Okay. Now you can also group by C name, C location. If I say how many groups will come, Tim, tell me. The
2
query
groups.
that I have written is wrong, Tim. Star, we should not use it. That query is wrong. Just look at group by only. My focus is only on group by. Group by C name, C location. What it will give, tell me.
2 groups.
How many groups? Two groups. So
Oh, 2
Rama
groups.
India and Krishna USA. Okay, because you need to look at only these two columns. These two columns are matching one group. These two columns matching one. Okay. So partition by query also, Tim, instead of group by you can also use a partition by. Even if you do a partition by, it will do the same grouping, but partition by will be applied in the select class. Partition by will bring all the columns along with your aggregated result. When it comes to the group by will give you only columns which you have mentioned in the group by condition, group by class. So but don't worry, I'll give you better examples. So remember, group by and partition by, they are used in a different places. Group by modifies the entire query, like select customer ID comma count of star as a order count from the order group by customer ID, meaning I can just group by the customer ID and I can get how many orders this particular customer has purchased. I can get. Okay, count of star means for that particular customer how many records we have. Each record indicates a one order. Okay, how many are total orders this customer has purchased, we can come to know. But partition by just works on a window functions like row number. Select row number over partition by customer ID, order by order ID. So here what happens is your entire data will come along with this partition result will come. What is this row number, rank, dense rank, everything I will be explaining in some time. So don't worry. But high level you understand group by we will be using group by we will be using after table name, and partition by we will be using within the select class. Okay, select statement. Okay, select statement. A group by normally reduce the number of rows returned by rolling them up and calculating average or sum of each row. Partition by does not affect the number of rows returned, but it changes how a window function result is calculated. Okay. I know many people not aware of this. Like whoever knows SQL, they know, but whoever not aware of the SQL, even if I explain this, you will not be able to understand. That's why I'll show you the windowing functions and group by practically. Okay, allow me some time. Order by means this is how the data is there. Now you can say order by CNAME, so that the data will be ordered based on the name. So first A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. First K will come, after K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. R will come. That's why first Krishna, next Rama is coming. So if you look at joins team, so I have orders table, I have a customer table. So generally you have a 4 types of joins. Okay, so one join is called a inner join, where it will give you the common records from both the tables. If you look at these two records, what are the common records that you are seeing if you join based on customer ID team?
ID number 2.
ID number 2 is matching. So if you want ID number 2, you have to apply a type of join is called inner join. See now, select star from orders, inner join with the customer table. I'm checking condition on orders dot customer ID equal to customer dot customer ID. If customer ID from this table, customer ID from this table is matching only second record, right? Only second record is matching. That's why the overall data will come like this. This table result and this table result will come next to next. If you apply join. Okay. Okay. Next. You have a something called sometimes what you want, even though customers has not purchased the products, but I want all the customer data. Okay, sorry, all order details I want along with the customers who purchase the orders. Okay, meaning so second customer purchased this laptop. Okay, but 3777 we don't know which customer purchased, but I still want those order details also, meaning all orders I want along with the orders which are purchased by the customers. So if the second customer details are available means fetch the details. If the 3777 who is the customer, so I don't have that information, it is okay, you leave about the customer information but still bring the orders information. Okay, left to join. So what is the left table? See, select star from orders, left to join with customer table based on customer ID. So tell me what will be the left table team in this?
Orders.
Okay, so orders is the left table. So now what I wanted to do, I want to take all the data from orders table and match record from the customer table. It is called a left join. See now 2 is a match record. I'll take 3777 are the unmatched data, that also I'll take in my result 3777. But if you look at customer side data, customer side data is coming as a null. Why customer side data is coming as a null? Because I don't have information who is the customer 3777, what is his name, he is from which location. Okay, so that entire information I don't have to. That entire information I don't have. Clear all of you? One second, I think some issue. Okay, you understood, right? Left join means. Now let's talk about the right join thing. Right join means same, just here you need to put a right join. Now right join means what? Can you guess it? I talked about left join. Now you should guess it for right join. What is meant by right join? What is meant by right join? Can you guess it, Tim?
All unmatched and unmatched records from right table, and from left table we'll pull the matched records.
Okay. So all the match record, like all the records from a customer table and match records from the orders table. Okay, right join means entire right table data plus match records from the left table, that is order table. See, 2 is match records, 1 and 3 are unmatched records. Now you will get a 2 which is a matching record, 1 and 3 are unmatched. So there is no relevant orders information. 1 and 3 is not made any purchase as of now. So that's a null is coming like this. Okay. Now the full join. Full join means, so you will get a 2 which is a match records, 37 77 unmatched records, 1 and 3 unmatched record. You see 2 which is a match record, 37 77 only available in the left table, 1 and 3 only available in the right table. So here unmatched records, here unmatched records. So everything will be treated separately. Okay, this is all about the full jointing. So next we have a cross join. Cross join is simply Cartesian product. So 1 will come and join with the 2 3, 2 will come and join with the 2 3. No need to match the values and all. So randomly, simply 1 will come and join with everything, 2 will come and join with all of this. Okay, so fine. Now let's move on to the hands-on lab. Now come to here. I have my local database. Click new query, expand the database tables, student DB, expand tables. Okay, first let's look at the, because basic queries and all you are aware of it, so we need to know few things. First let's look at the joins. Okay, after that we will look at windowing functions, window functions. So these two things only mainly we should aware of it. So let's look at the joins. So joins, before we move on to the joins, let me look display the data that we have in the employee table and the department table. The employee table. Now you read these two. DEPT, what happened? Okay, this you are in master database, go to student DB, run these two queries. Now if you see team, I have a employees, employee name, employee salary, department ID. I have a department ID and a department name as well. Okay. Now if you see, I have for one, which department? Rama is belongs to which department? Big data analytics. Okay, 10 is nothing but here, you know. 30 HR department, he is also HR department. 50, we don't have that information. 10 big data analytics. 20, he is a testing department. Okay, now the first requirement is I want all employees whose department is already available, whose department is already available. What type of join we need to apply to get this result? I want all employees whose department is already available, whose department is available, you can say simply, whose department name is available. Tell me what join we need to apply to get the department name. So I
Inner
want to
join.
get, okay, inner join. So how to apply inner join? Select star from employee, okay, inner join with orders table on sorry, department table, right? Department table on employee dot department ID should match with department table dot department ID. Okay, now you see, if I apply this, what result I am getting, team? You can see, right? So one you are getting. So now you see, one is coming in the output, 6 is coming, 4th is coming, third, second, only except Venkat record, all other records are there in the output. Correct? And here also except 40 Java developer, all other records are available. Because all these are matching departments, that's why it is coming like this. Got it, team? Everybody understood this is the inner join. Now let's say the requirement, the next requirement is, now I want like this. I want all employees and their departments. I want all employees and I want all employees and employees whose department names available. It is kind of a, I want all employees along with that whose employee department name is already available. Both, like it is kind of a employees whose department name is available and employees whose department name is not available. Both. I want all employees. Along with that, I also want the employee department name if it is available. Okay, let me put it that way. I want all employees and along with that, if their department name is available, get department. So what type of join I need to do? What should be the left table? What should be the right table?
Left table should be EMP, right table should be department. Left join
Okay,
you
left
need to
table
apply.
should be just select star from employee, left join. So basically you no need to do write too much. Simply you need to put this one here and you have to say left join. That's it. And exit this. Now except for fifth Venkat employee, all employees details we got it, and wherever employee department name is available we got the employee department name. If the employee department name is not available, it is okay, but still we want all employees whose employee name is not available also we want. That's why employee department name wherever is available we got it, wherever department name is not available also we got it. Next, let's say I want all department details along with that employees who are working in those departments. So what you can do, select star from department table. So yeah, one is you can simply use a right join here. That's it. Now what happens, you see, this is a right join. Right join is bringing what, team? Right join is bringing what, team?
All departments and matching employee table.
All department details we are getting here. If you see, all department details we are getting along with that. So in these departments there are some employees who are working, so that's why whoever is working, those employee details we got it along with the department where there is no employees working in this department. Okay, now if you want, I want all employees and the departments along with that employees who are looking uh, for available departments. Okay, so select star from employee, full join with department table on employee dot department ID equal to department dot department ID. Now if you execute this, so you can see here, so you have fifth person, you don't have any department, 40th department, no employees working. Okay, we got everything. This is how, these are the main four joins that you need to aware, team. These are the four main joins that you need to aware. Joins in SQL. Okay. If you go to images, you can see here, it will give you the clarity on the joins. So you can see four joins that we discussed. One is inner join. What is meant by inner join? The common records from both the tables, left table and right table. Next, left join. Left join means all the records from the left table plus match records from the right table also, meaning match records plus remaining records from left table. Match records plus remaining records in the right table. Full join means all the records, match records, remaining records in left table, remaining records in the right table. Clear all of you? Now, let's say one question I'll ask you. This is the data that I have. Okay. Now I want to know employee whose department is not available. Manually tell me whose department is not available, for which employee department is not available. I want the employee whose department is not available, not existed. Who is that person?
Venkat.
Venkat. Okay. So how we can able to get this only this record? For that, first what you need to do is you need to do the left join. First you need to do the left join. Do the left join. So now you know these are the people like whose department is not available. First you got the departments available and departments not available, all the records. Now I want only this record, because for this particular employee there is no department exist. How you can able to get
Not
it? Where
not equal.
where department ID is
Department.
null or
Null.
department name is null. If you put like this, now what happens? Okay, department ID is, I think department name is null. One second. Oh, okay, got it. Department ID is null. You can put. Only thing is, okay, here you look at.
Department. Yeah.
Yeah, 1 second. This department ID column, from which table we need to filter out? From the department table, right? So that's why department dot department, because department IDs exist in the two table. Otherwise, to avoid this simple issue, you can say department name. But using department name is not ideal, because sometimes maybe department ID and department name is can be null, but a department ID can exist in the department table. That's why based on department ID only we need to filter out. But this department ID column from which table? Department table. That's why department table dot department ID is null wherever it is null. Okay, this is null, right? So this entire row it will come in the output now. Okay, now in this, what columns you want? You want columns only from the employee table. So that's why here you need to say here you need to say star. Before star you just have to say emp dot star, meaning from employee table all columns you can select. Now you can see we got only the 5 Venkat 300. It is kind of like this. This is the left table, this is the right table, this is a match record, but we are not taking any match record. Instead, what we are taking? We are taking only this is the left table, this is the right table. Instead of taking match record, we are taking only records available in the left table. Okay, this is also known as a left anti-join in the Spark. This is also known as a left anti-join in the Spark table. All of you clear on this?
This one.
Come here. So you can see your team. So here you can see that thing. Here you see, right? Only records available in the left table, which is not matched. So to get that, where B is null, he has used. Same we have used. From department table dot department is null. If the right table is null means it is only exist in the left side table. So you will be taking only that record. Okay. So this is all about the this one. Joins. Okay, we are good with the joins still. Now if you are good with the joins, we will move on to the windowing functions. We will move on to the windowing functions now. Before we move on to the windowing functions, if required I can take one more session, but one important thing is you also required this kind of thing, because generally interviewer will ask these kind of questions. Okay, now Let's practice next 10 minutes this one. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow also I'll take a SQL session, or let's see. Maybe windowing functions also important, because windowing functions, without windowing function we can't do the data quality checks. So that's why tomorrow we will talk about the windowing functions and duplicate rows. All other session I'll take one more session on the SQL. So today let me finish the complete joins. Okay, so joins, if you see team ID, so this is a table one, let's say, which is ID column 1 1 2 2 null. Okay, table 2, I have a ID column with 1 1 1 3. Okay, now tell me, okay, otherwise let's say this is a 4. Tell me how many records will come in the inner join output, how many records will come in the left join output, how many records will come in the right join output, how many records will come in the full join output. Tell me, tell me, Tim, please.
Inner join will come 6
Inner join 3 records.
and left join.
Inner join 3 records.
Okay, so everything you put it in the chat window, I'll take. Okay, everybody put it in chat window. Inner join 6 records. Okay, this is kind of a this one team. Okay, just to think of like this, because many people will not think this way. Let's say we have a like this, a red color one, a red color one. Okay, and a red color one. Again, if you take okay, green color, fine, green color I am taking. This side again I am taking a green color, this side I am taking a green color, and again this time I am taking a red color. Okay, and I am taking a red color. Now tell me, okay, maybe I am taking one more red color. Now tell me how many red colors are matching. This red color is matching with how many records? Sorry, how many red colors this side? It is matched with this. This is also matched with this.
3.
This is also matched with this. Correct? Again, this also will match with this. This also will match with this. This also will match with this. Correct? So now what happens? 2 into 3. Total how many matchings came for red? Total 6. So this one in other way very easily you can calculate is whenever you see duplicate values, simple multiplication. 2 times it is there here, 3 times it is there here. 2 into 3 is 6. You can get it that way very easily without missing any number. You will get the accurate value. Now similarly, this is matching here, this is matching here. Same, this is matching here, this is matching here. Now 2 into 2, 4. So total how many matchings here? 10, you can say. 10 are the total matchings. Like this you need to do. So some people are doing wrongly. That's why I just given this example here. One will come and match with all these 3 ones. Again this one will come and match with all these 3 ones. So total how many records will come in the inner join now?
Records.
3 2 jar 6 records will come in the inner join. How many records will come in the left join? Left join, if you see, once you get a inner join, left join is very easy. 6 you can keep it here, plus left table is the table 1. So how many unmatched records we have? 3. So you just have to add a 3. 6 plus 3 is
Only I think
9.
you stopped your sharing, I think, screen sharing.
Oh, I think some issue. When it was stopped, Tim, I explained
Uh,
this one. Did you see this?
yeah, till that we can see.
Oh, okay, fine, fine. Fine, that's okay. We can discuss again. So it is very simple. 2 into 3 team. Total 6 records I am saying as a inner join. For left join, how you have to calculate is inner join records you can keep it here. Left table is this. In this table already 1 is matched. You leave it. Unmatched are 2 2 4. 3 records are unmatched. So you need to put it as a 9. Right join also first put inner join result plus remaining unmatched record is only 3. So only one record, right? That is the number record number 3. Only one record. So total will be 7. Now if you look at full join will be 6 plus 3 plus 1 because these are the 3. This is the 1. Total it will come as a 10 record. That is what the counts are. Okay. Now I am changing this. So what will be the inner join, left join, right join counts, Tim? Tell me quickly. You have to tell quickly. There are a lot of examples we need to discuss, Tim. Tell me, Tim.
Inner than 10.
Okay, inner join 10. Very good. 10, Tim. 2 into 3. 3 to just 6. 2 into 2, 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 records. So left join is 10 plus unmatched is 1. So 10 plus 1 is 11. Right join 10 plus 1 is unmatched, so 1. So it will be 11. So full join will be 10 plus 1 plus left join unmatched records, right join unmatched records, 12 records will come in the full join. Okay, fine. Okay, next I'll be adding like this. What will be the inner join, right join, left join, full join outputs?
Inner join 6.
Inner join, how many records, Tim?
6.
6.
Okay, very good. So you need to think here null will not match with null. Null will not match with null. Okay. So this is what you need to remember. Note point. So that's why what happens here, two ones will match with one, two records. Two twos are 4. 2 plus 4, total 6 are match records. So now 4 and null are unmatched. So that's why 6 plus 2, 8 records will come in the 6 plus 2, 8 records will come in the left join. Here also 6 plus 2 because 6 are matched and this 6 and null are unmatched. Okay, again, so for the full join 6 plus 2 plus 2, total 10 records output. Okay, so similar example we will execute it now and see. Now select star from T1, select star from T2 I have kept here. Now if you see there are a lot of data I have here. Okay, There is a lot of data here. Now can you guess it and tell me how many records I'll get it for inner join, left join, right join, full join. So let's start from P1, inner join with T2 on P1.id equal to T2.id. Tell me how many records I'll get.
8.
Hmm?
Inner join 13.
Okay. So only inner join you can tell me, because the others I think you can able to answer. I understand. Inner join everybody confirmed it. Okay, 13 is the right answer. You can see here 13 rows affected here. Okay, 13 is the right answer. Okay, because you can also compare and see here. So 2
1.
into 4, 2 4 jar 8. 2 2 jar 4. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12. Final 0 is matched with 0, 1. So 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 are the unmatched. So left join, these two are unmatched. 13 plus 2, 15 are the left join. 15 for the right join. 15 for left join, 15 for right join. Correct. Left join, you can see 15 records will come. Okay. This is a 3 null are not matched. Null will come. And right join also again 15 records will come. And say 15 rows, because this 4 and null will not match with the left table. Now full join will be 13 plus 2 plus 2, 17 records will come. See, these two are not having matching at right side. Right table is not having matching with the left side. So total 17 rows. Okay. That's all with respect to the joins today. I hope please practice them, everybody. The syntax is also very easy. Normally you will write select star from table, right? First you need to write select star from table. Then you need to put the type of join. Okay. Then you need to put what is the table. What is the second table? You need to put the second table. Finally, put a condition. On the condition is table 1 side which column you want to match with the table 2 side which column. That's it. Okay, very simple syntax it is. Anybody have any questions, please let me know. Tomorrow we will talk about windowing functions and other things that will help basically to get started with our data flows. Okay, if no questions, then thank you. That's all.